Naman tayong bagong nakitang content dito na pwede nating gawing tutorial. So ngayon meron tayong workflow or scenario based sa requirements ng online.ph. So papakita ko sa inyo, ito yung magiging job description niya. Mapapansin nyo. So dito, check nyo na lang. So virtual automation specialist, Zapier, ManyChat, CRM integration, real estate plus AI tools. Okay? And then, papansin nyo, meron siya dito. Yung mga responsibilities niya. CRM, Google Calendar, Forms, yun. So, yun ang gagawin. Tapos, meron akong nagawa na ano dito, na scenario. So, ang gagawin naman natin dito ngayon is, ang trigger form niya is si Google Form. After ma-submit yung Google Form, so, i-analyze siya ni OpenAI or ni ChatGPT, siya yung magiging assistant natin kung ano yung magiging next step or to follow up kay client or customer. Then after that, magsasend siya ng notification to Slack na ito yung bagong leads natin, and then mag-update siya sa contact via HubSpot CRM, and then magsasend siya ng email sa customer or client, and then meron tayong Google Sheets to track the logs. So papakita ko sa inyo ano yung magiging result dito. So first, try muna natin i-run to. Run muna natin 'yan. And then punta tayo dito sa dito sa Google Form. Ito yung magiging Google Form niya. So input lang natin yung first name, Pinoy VA Automation, yung email niya. So Pinoy VA automation at gmail.com. So, yung full number naman, so, enter natin iba-ibang number. Location, so, magsiselect ako ng location. I think, pag doon tayo sa Manila, so, search ko muna Pasay. So, gusto ko sa Pasay. And then, yung budget ko naman is, lagay ko, 500,000. Yan. Timeline, gusto ko 1 to 2 months. Lipat na ako agad. So, property interested. So, I want near airport. Kasi sa Pasay, airport naman yun eh. And, nice place. So, yun ang ilagay ko. Property interested. Sorry. So, ilagay ko lang dito is condo or house. And then, yung notes ko, lagay ko na lang dito yan. And then, submit natin. Yan, na-submit na. Tapos, punta tayo sa make.com. Run once natin. So, kung papansin mo, na send si client o si customer, and then meron tayong ChatGPT assistant. So isa-summarize niya, yun, mapansin nyo, forward siya dito kay Slack, send siya ng email, siya nag-update ng contact sa HubSpot, and then email, and then Google Sheet. Ngayon, check natin kung nag-work pa siya. So ngayon, check natin muna sa sa summary niya. So summary, and then punta tayo dun sa HubSpot. So check natin sa HubSpot. Refresh lang natin. So meron tayong new contact. So new contact natin, PVA, ito yung name niya, and this email, phone number, ito sa baba, yan. Hindi ko na nalagay ng lead status, kayo na maglalagay dito. So next, check naman natin dun sa sa Gmail kung nag-send ba siya. So punta tayo sa email, refresh lang natin. Yan. So ito na. So Pinoy VA Automation, that's thank you Pinoy VA Automation. Pag-click natin dito. Ito yun. Ito yung sample lang muna. So thank you Pinoy Automation. Will contact you shortly. In the meantime, book. So click natin to. So magbo-book siya doon sa Pinoy VA. Yan. And then next, check naman natin yung Slack. So sa Slack naman, dito natin makikita yung summary ni ChatGPT. So check natin sa Slack. meron tayong yan, leads channel, and then dito siya. So, papansin mo, meron siyang new leads, Pinoy VA, automation, phone number, location Pasay, budget 500,000, timeline 1 to 2 months, property type condo. So, ito na yung tapos notes, I want near airport and nice place. So, mapapansin mo, ito na yung follow-ups. So, itong follow-ups, generated by ChatGPT. So, papansin nyo dito, so meron tayong Pinoy V Automation is potentially buyer looking for property in Pasay with a budget of 500,000. So, they prefer a property near airport and seek a nice place to live in. So, dito mo mapapansin yung ito yung step by step ito yung magiging assistant natin pala, si ChatGPT. And then to follow up effectively, you could suggest properties in Pasay near airport that fit their budget preference, arrange virtual hours, tours, or provide detailed information on available listing and offer assistance in setting up property viewing since they have already. So ito yung magiging assistant natin. Yan. Right? So that's the sample. Okay, check muna natin sa Google Sheets because ito yung magiging logs natin. So check natin dito. So ito yan. Full name niya, email, phone number, at tapos yung summary. Okay, at least meron tayong logs. Alright guys, thank you. Well, papakita naman natin yung paano yung build process nito. So since para mas madali sa atin na ko na po, na download ko na yung Make Blueprint. So sa inyo naman, check nyo na yung description below so you can download the Make Blueprint. So sa akin naman, i-import natin yung Make. So import Blueprint, choose the file here, click open, and then save. So ito, brand new po ito. So sa another account ko naman to ng Make. So ngayon, ko-configure natin yung Google Form. So since you have created a Google Form, ito yung Google Form nyo, kukunin natin yung ID niya. So here's the ID. Copy lang natin. And then, click nyo itong Google Form. Choose an account. So hindi pa connected to an account. So click natin. Sign with Google. And then, select na natin to. Then, hit continue. Continue. Right, so, check natin yun. Verify natin. So, remove lang natin to. Paste natin yan. And then, click save. Click natin all. Save. And then, first naman, ang gagawin natin natin is run this module lang. Run this module. So, account does not connection span, open ChatGPT. Okay, close muna natin yan. So, ang gagawin lang natin is uncheck lang natin yan. So, run this module. Yan. So, para makita natin yan, punta tayo dito sa real estate. And then, lang natin, copy respondent link, shorten link, copy, and then paste natin dito. Paste. There you go. So, click natin yan. So, example, Pinoy VA. And then, gamit ito dito. Pinoy VA. Example lang yan. At gmail.com. So, phone number. Check natin yan. Location. Lagay natin, Pasig. So, here in the Philippines muna tayo. Budget natin is 3 million, 3M. Timeline 1 to 4 months. And then property interested, I select a house. And then notes, I want a place that is nice and near to school. Submit. Then check natin dito. So may one responded tayo. Responses. Make. So run this module natin again. Yan. Meron ang output. So mapapansin yung answer. ito yung email niya. So, email, text answers, collect. So, ito yung email ha, sample test ko. It means it works. So, set aside natin yan. So, next is kukunin natin si ChatGPT. So, connect lang natin yan. Pwede naman ito yung i-connect eh. I think this is will be, yep. Yeah, that's it. So, it means it's connected. So, since ChatGPT is brand new, so, ang gagawin naman natin, click natin to. Create a connections. So, ang connection naman natin dito is API key. So, paano yung makakuha yung API key? So, punta lang kayo dito sa platform.openai.com. Tapos, set nyo lang yung billing nyo. So, ang billing ko dito is meron akong payment methods. So, para magamit yung API key, so, kailangan mag-ano kayo dito, mag-add kayo ng payments. Tapos, add nyo lang, tapos purchase kayo ng $5. Sa akin kasi meron ako na purchase na $5. Here, I think this is at 280 pesos. To test it out. And then, pag wala pa kayong task po na gawa nyo na to, punta kayo sa API keys, and then create new, and then lagay nyo lang dito, tapos project, select nyo yung default, or pag nakakreate kayo ng another project, so that's it. Tapos lagay nyo dito. So, since sa akin meron na ako, real estate API, and then gagawin ko na lang dito is kukunin ko yung API key. Since meron akong API key, copy paste ko na lang. Right? So copy paste ko yung API key and then paste ko dito. And then sa organization ID, so ang gagawin ko lang, click ko lang to. Ito yung default. And then click save. Set ko na yan. So mag-wait tayo. So it means it works na. So, meron tayong rule dito. Meron dalawang rule. User, so ikaw yung magdi-dictate kung ano yung gagawin ni ChatGPT, and meron tayong assistant. Si assistant naman is tutulong siya. So, lalagyan mo lang siya. So, I selected is assistant since siya yung assistant natin. So, your real estate automation assistant summarize these leads, details into short paragraph, suggested 2 to 3 follow-up steps based on their budget, location, timeline, and notes. So, here, map naman natin. So ito yung hard-coded natin, tapos map natin yung values niya based sa Google Forms response. And then here also the notes. And then click natin yan, save. So tsaka natin i-run kasi mag-automatic na yan. So since gawa na natin yan, so meron tayong router dito. So si router man is magdi-distribute siya dito sa Slack. So click natin sa Slack if it is connected. So hindi pa connected. So click natin add connection type, Slack user, Slack. There you go. Click that one. So authorizing. Since ginawa ko to, yeah, this app is approved by Slack, and then click allow. So I think this is yan. Allow lang natin sa Finovate automation. So, since connected na siya, so ito yung magiging niya, drop down. So, select mo lang yung drop down the list, public channel, leads. So, ito yung magiging leads niya. Yan yung magiging leads. Kukunin ito yung name, email, same as setup natin sa ChatGPT. Pero ang different lang dito is yung follow-up steps. Si follow-up step, kukunin natin yung result. So, ang result naman, kukunin natin dito sa ChatGPT. So, ito yung result. Dito yung lalabas yung result. So, kukunin natin dito. Click lang natin, save. And then sa HubSpot, CRM, click natin 1. And then click add. So, save lang natin. So, magpa-pop up yun si HubSpot. HubSpot, I mean. And then, click lang natin to. So, since this is a different account, choose one. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano yung magiging process. Agree lang natin. Yan. So, connected na siya. So, i-map lang natin yung values. So, ito yung magiging compact niya. At ito yung magiging key. Key, it means dito ito yung galing sa HubSpot. And then ito yung value. So, saan natin kukunin ito? So, kukunin natin yan dito sa Google Forms. I-map lang natin. So, like say key email. So, itong email na to from the HubSpot, tapos ang value came from Google Form. I-map lang natin yan and then click save. So, sa email naman, so since gumagamit ako ng it is connected to the sa aking private email hosted by mail, mail hosted by Namecheap. So ito yung sa akin kasi na connected na to eh. So iyon, tapos meron akong HTML file dito. Yan. So makita nyo dito. So thank you, tapos kukunin yung value ni full name, tapos welcome to contact shortly, tapos calendar. Ito yung mga basic lang na sample. So, tapos dito, yung subject naman, kukunin natin yung name. So, thank you, tapos yung name niya. So, here, dito. Yan, ito yung value niya. So, here. Content yan. Tapos yung email address. Siyempre, yung email address mo, kukunin natin dito sa kung sino yung, kung ano yung email address na nilagay niya. Yan. So, ito yung email address. So, same dito. Tapos, content type, lalagay ko lang din doon sa description para makakopy nyo lang din. And then, click save. Check natin. Value must have not empty connections. Okay, here you go. So we need to create a connections, I think. Just wait. I need to check up at this. So create a connections. So connection type natin. So here you go. So since di pa totally connected pala, so ang gagawin natin, punta tayo sa others SMTP. So provider. So click others. Email address. So kukunin natin si info at full name. So gamitin natin to SMTP server, private mail, and then yung port niya for outbound, ito yon. At his username, so gagamitin si info, and his password. So his password, gagamitin natin dito is private. Since hindi yan, so punta tayo dito. Yan. So meron akong okay, check natin yan. Pinoy VA. Yan, Namecheap, makita natin yan. Tapos copy paste lang natin yung password. Yan. And then copy paste natin dito. Cancel lang natin yan. So mag-aantay tayo ng connections. Or just wait. So antay lang natin. Ito mas good to if ikaw yung virtual assistant specifically for real estate. So match na ito sa inyo. So check natin ano yung magiging connections. So connections timeout, check natin ano yung nagiging timeout niya. Click natin save. We'll just wait. Tayo lang natin na ito ay magiging connected. So basically, ito yung magiging workflow. So yung sa prompt, check natin ano yung magiging error niya. Private@email.com connection timeout. So login muna tayo natin. So punta tayo sa private email. Ito ay hosted ng Namecheap kasi mas mura to. Pero for for content lang. So try natin login. Lalagin muna natin. Tapos yung password niya. Tapos login lang. So to verify na tama yung in-entry natin doon sa connection from here. So punta tayo dito. We'll just wait. And then punta tayo dito sa settings, settings, and then connect devices. And then select natin to mail. So ito yung magiging mail server niya. So mail server ito. So check natin kung tama ba. So mail private email. So tama ba? Mail.private email. So copy natin 'yan. 465 info automation. So private email. So info@pinoyautomation.com. SMTP connections. And then okay. So mapapansin nyo 464. So dito nakalagay dito is 465 kaya nag-error siya. So gawin natin niya is 465. Okay? And then click save. Right, so it means it is connected. Kung mapapansin nyo dito. connected na siya. So, and then click save nyo lang. Right? So, sa Google Sheets, same lang din. So, meron tayong ano dito. And then, click add. Pag hindi pa connected, sign in with Google account. I'll just wait. And then, select ko lang to. Using my personal, ha. Try natin yung different account para makita nyo na din ano yung magiging process dito. Right, so select natin. So drive, ito yung real estate logs. Yun, automatic na yan. Tapos yung summary, yun, saan natin kukunin yan dito yan sa result. Para ang nilagay natin doon sa logs, meron tayong full name, email, phone number, and then summary. So ito yung magiging summary ng generated by ChatGPT. So click natin yan. So okay, so test it out natin kung if it is works. So ngayon, gawa muna tayo, gawa tayo ng response dito. So, response. So, ang gagawin ko yan is gawa na ako ng response from, ito yung maging response. So, lagay natin to. Yan, the full name. So, lagay ko yung email. So, ang email ang gagamitin ko is to. Para makita, natin, yung Pinoy VE lang na email. Pinoy VE automation at gmail.com. Random numbers lang select natin. Tapos select naman. So, ang gusto ko naman is sa Taguig na area. So, Taguig. So, doon sa Taguig. Tapos, ang budget ko sa Taguig, lagay ko 1M. So, 1 million. So, I think 1 month is enough. Yan, 1 month. Properties. So, gusto ko doon sa may Taguig is condo. Condo or house. Ayan. And then notes naman, so I want near ano ba yung doon meron sa Taguig public market, I think. Public market or nice place. Right? Let's see the sample notes. Submit natin yan. And then punta tayo dito. So run once natin. Run once. So, papansin nyo, so, nakolect niya yung phrase input, tapos, kung papansin nyo, generated by ChatGPT yan. Nakita nyo yung loading form ito, yun. Papansin, meron ng notes, tapos, nag-response siya dito, sa Slack, and then sa HubSpot, email, and Google Log. So, check naman natin. Check natin sa Slack. So, sa Slack, saan mo yung Slack natin? Okay, dito. Okay, here you go. So, name, so, ito, time today. So, email, tapos ito yung follow-up steps. So, send a listing of properties in Taguig within 1 million budget range, focusing on those located near public markets. Alright? Schedule a virtual tour or set up a meeting to show available properties that meet the leads criteria. So, mapapansin nyo, ito yung generated by ChatGPT. So, next naman, check natin dito sa HubSpot. So, HubSpot man, check natin yan. So, refresh lang natin to. Okay. So, mapapansin nyo, meron tayong new contact. So, Arjo. So, ito yung first. Tapos, ito yung email niya, phone number. Yan. So, kayo na lang maglalagay kung ano yung lalagay nyo pa dito na side. So, next, check naman natin yung email. So, since email to, check natin dito. So, alright. So, lalabas na dito. So, papansin nyo, ito yun. So, thank you. Thank you, Argelo Karampatana. So, we'll contact you shortly. In the meantime, ito yung magiging sample lang. Sample lang daw. Pwede nyo to i-customize. So, it means that it is works and in Google Sheets. Si Google Sheets, punta tayo dito. And then, refresh. Okay. Here's the summary. So, mapapansin nyo, ito yung magiging summary niya. So, are just looking for a property Taguig. So, mapapansin nyo, ito yung follow-up. Tapos, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Slack, it's the same. Diba? Papansin nyo dito. Right? So, it means it is work. So, check nyo lang yung description, guys. Fill up lang kayo sa form para makuha nyo yung blueprint dito. Alright? So, pag nagustuhan nyo itong content na to, like and subscribe naman. And also, don't forget to follow our Facebook page para ma-notify kayo every upload ko po ng video. Alright? Thank you mga ka-VA. Have a great weekends. Bye-bye.